Welcome to the demo of PaperNow. First thing is I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to www.papernow.com. So here we are at PaperNow, which is a powerful website for newspapers, magazines, documents, books, and blogs. So what you also see in the top navigation is Home, which is where we are right now. And of course, My PaperNow, which is your personal account for bookmarking your favorite articles or having a chat over the latest news with your friends. The first thing you see on the homepage are the latest headlines from around the world. Since PaperNow publishes in real time, it's always the most current news. This headline, for example, just came in 14 minutes ago. If we scroll down the page, we can see topic-based modules. World, business, the most popular articles on PaperNow, and many more. You can add additional modules by clicking on the Customize Your Page button at the top of the page and even customize the appearance of your home page. Let's just go ahead and read a newspaper. Right below the headlines, you see our featured publications. It's very easy to browse through all of the newspapers. Let me see just what looks good. I think I'm going to go for the New York Times. Yeah, here it is. I just click on it, and here we are at the New York Times on PaperNow. We can see different sections such as breaking news and politics. If we scroll down, we'll see business, stock markets, sports, opinion, and much more. But I'm just going to read the top story. Looks kind of interesting. I just click on the headline, and the story pops up. It's about a flying suit that is going to be developed by NASA. So let me go ahead and play the video. Skipping forward a bit. Okay, looks like it's playing now. That was kind of cool. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video here. If you scroll down, you can see more media resources on the left-hand side. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll see a poll. Could you imagine going to work in a flying suit? Well, yeah, why not? I possibly would try that. So I just say yes, well, of course. And as I have voted, I can immediately see the results. Now, I like this article a lot, and I want to bookmark it. Instead of scattering around sharing options, we have created one large central sharing dock where you'll find all the options you need. So I just click on this large plus button and select Bookmark this article in order to bookmark it into My PaperNow. And it's bookmarked. Let's just go to My PaperNow and see what's happening there. You can now see My Wall, which is my personal message board. You can see the latest entry here. It's the article that we have just bookmarked. Oh, what's that? One of my friends has just commented on the article I bookmarked. I think he likes the idea of flying to work. Oh, another friend just commented too. Looks like he's a little bit more skeptical. I'll just reply to these two guys. I click on comment and I'll type in my reply. Well, it's not a moon base, but at least it's a start. I click on Post, and there it is. Okay, there's a new entry on my wall. This time it's an update on a live story that I'm following. I'm going to click on it to go to the stories page. Now we are on the story page. This story by the New York Times is about the ongoing war in Afghanistan. The green button here shows that I'm following this story. So I get updates on it whenever there's news pertaining to this story. I can either see the story from now on or from the beginning. Each story has a summary showing you the most important piece of media and an introduction to the topic. Down here is a timeline that you can browse for news, images, videos, or graphics. Further down, we have articles, features, interviews, and opinions. The articles are sorted according to time. The latest one happened just 10 minutes ago, then 2 days ago, 4 days, 5 days, and so on. And all based on a particular topic. On the right-hand side, we have some more information, such as the most important figures, showing the cost of the war or that over 128 million bullets have been fired so far. You can also see the most important people involved and the most famous quotes on the topic. Now, if you want to stop following the story, just click on the green button. Then just click on Yes, and you can see that the button has turned red. If you want to follow the story again, just click on it. Let me show you another really cool feature in PaperNow. I am going back to the home page, and in our featured publications, I'm just going to click on the Vogue magazine. Now that we're at Vogue, again, it has different sections: highlights, news, latest features, Vogue TV, blogs, and beauty. But let's say I'm particularly interested in Vogue's latest features. So I'm moving my mouse onto the Add to My Dashboard button in the section Highlights. I click on it, and it's added to my dashboard. Let's go to our dashboard in My PaperNow. You can see that the latest features of Vogue has been added as a module to my dashboard. Let's go and add some more modules. Back to the home page, I'm just going to the New York Times again. Here we are. Let's see what we've got here. I think I'll add the sports section. I just click on Add to My Dashboard button again, and it's added. Back to the dashboard, you can see that the sports section of the New York Times has been added to my dashboard also. So I can add whatever section from whatever newspaper or magazine I like to my personal dashboard. You can see here that I've already added some more modules. Business news from Business Week, world news from the LA Times, fashion news from the Wallpaper magazine, and a lot more. In addition, we are already working on an application for the iPad that has the dashboard function too. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed our demo.